Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today I made these sandwich cookies with dulce de leche as filling. They're absolutely delicious and as you can see they look super cute. I'm gonna start with the filling because it needs time. I have here 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and I will remove this label and I'll place it in a pot, submerge it underneath water, and I'm gonna cook this on the stove on low fire. I'm gonna boil it for about 3 hours. The longer you cook it, the thicker the sweetened caramel will be. I will take it off the water after 3 hours, let it cool down completely, and when I open the can, it's looking like this. Absolutely delicious, and you can use this for lots of other cookies and lots of other desserts. I'm gonna place it in a piping bag and have it ready for my cookies. You can make this ahead of time, you can make it a day before, so you can have it wherever you need it. Let's make now the dough, and for this I'm gonna need 150 grams of room temperature butter, 200 grams of sugar, 2 yolks, I have them here, 1 egg, 340 grams of flour, 250 grams of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking powder, vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vodka optional, and lemon zest. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna place the butter and I will start mixing it to soften it up a lot more and combine it with sugar. Start adding sugar gradually and continue to mix. I'm adding yolks, those 2 yolks that I already had them prepared, 1 egg, add the rest of the sugar and keep on mixing. I added lemon zest because I really love the flavor that this gives to these cookies. Vanilla extract, baking powder, and start adding flour and cornstarch. Mix until the dry ingredients are well incorporated into the dough. Added that tablespoon of vodka, but that's optional. Will make the dough really nice and the cookies will be soft. I will knead the dough just for a minute or so to bring everything together, to make sure that the flour and cornstarch are well incorporated. I'm gonna put the dough in a plastic bag and have it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. You can actually make these the day before if you want, and keep the dough in the fridge for that butter to be nice and chilled. flatten it up a bit so it can cool down evenly and in the fridge. After the dough firmed up, I cut it in half, sprinkle flour on the table and on top of the dough, and with the rolling pin flatten it up and stretch it half a centimeter thick. And with a cookie cutter, cut the dough in circles like you see me doing here, and place the cookies on a baking tray. We're gonna bake them in the oven at 180 Celsius for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can stretch again the excess dough and try to obtain as many cookies as you can, and also try to have an even number, because we're gonna unite 2 by 2 of these so we can make a sandwich. After baking, you can let them cool down. And I'm gonna start assembling these cookies. I'm placing here in the bowl coconut flakes, or you can use minced walnuts, and I'm gonna unite 2 cookies, and in the middle I'm gonna put that filling that we already made, dulce de leche, and we're gonna make as many as you can. Try to put some of that dulce de leche on the side of the cookies, and toss them in the coconut flakes, and the coconut flakes will stick to them and they will look absolutely delicious. You can store these in a container, plastic container with a lid, and keep them in the fridge for about a week. They're absolutely delicious, and as you can see, pretty easy to make. I hope you're gonna try the recipe and let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. Have an awesome day and find reasons to smile. Bye bye!